Welcome to Health Hack. Today, we're revealing some surprising ways that baking soda, a common household item, can improve your health. From easing heartburn to soothing your skin, you won't believe all the benefits this simple ingredient has to offer. Stick around to learn more. Did you know that baking soda, that humble kitchen staple, has been a go-to remedy since the 1800s? It's not just for baking or keeping your fridge smelling fresh. This ordinary white powder has some extraordinary health benefits that people have relied on for generations. Today on Health Hack, we're diving into the growing trend of drinking baking soda water. You might be wondering, why would anyone drink baking soda? Well, it turns out that this simple mixture is gaining attention for some impressive health benefits, many of which are completely unknown to most people. In today's fast-paced world, common issues like indigestion and acidity often disrupt our daily lives. It's no wonder more and more people are turning back to natural remedies. Baking soda water, with its ability to neutralize stomach acid, is becoming a popular option, not just because it works, but because it's simple and easily accessible. So if you're curious about how this easy solution can have a big impact on your health, stick around as we explore the top 8 ways that drinking baking soda water could be the remedy you didn't know you needed. 1. Neutralizes stomach acid. Let's talk about something we've all experienced at some point: heartburn, or that uncomfortable burning sensation in your stomach after a meal. It's a common complaint, especially after indulging in spicy or acidic foods. But did you know that a simple household item might offer some relief? Enter baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is more than just an ingredient for baking. It's a quick and effective remedy for heartburn. When you drink baking soda mixed with water, it reacts with the acid in your stomach. This reaction produces salt, water, and carbon dioxide, which reduces the stomach's acidity. The result? Less burning and more comfort. Drinking a mixture of baking soda and water acts like a natural antacid. It neutralizes stomach acid, providing fast relief from symptoms. This method has been used for generations because it's not only accessible but also incredibly effective and quick. But why should this matter to you? Well, using natural remedies like baking soda water allows you to take control of minor yet frustrating digestive discomforts without always relying on medication. It's a small yet powerful step toward managing your digestive health naturally. Of course, like any remedy, how you use it is key. A little baking soda goes a long way. Just a half teaspoon in a full glass of water after a meal can help balance the acid levels in your stomach, making you feel better naturally. So the next time that familiar discomfort starts creeping up after a meal, remember a simple glass of baking soda water might be just what you need to find relief and get back to enjoying your day. It's easy, effective, and has stood the test of time as a trusted home remedy. 2. Enhances athletic performance. Have you ever wondered how athletes keep pushing their limits, especially during intense competitions? It turns out that a surprisingly simple substance might help enhance athletic performance: baking soda. Yes, the same baking soda you use in your kitchen can be a secret weapon for athletes. Here's how it works. During high-intensity activities, our muscles produce lactic acid, which causes that familiar burning sensation and fatigue. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a buffer for these acids. When athletes consume baking soda mixed with water before exercise, it can help delay muscle fatigue by neutralizing the excess acid that builds up during strenuous activity. This means they can run faster, swim longer, or cycle harder before they start feeling tired. And this isn't just an old wives' tale, there's real science behind it. Studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate can enhance endurance and performance, particularly during short bursts of high-intensity exercise. It's about giving your body that extra edge when it matters most. Now, this doesn't mean you should start drinking baking soda before every workout. Like any supplement, it's essential to use it correctly and in moderation. Athletes often use carefully measured doses, tailored to their weight and the intensity of the exercise they'll be doing. So the next time you see athletes performing at their peak and wonder how they manage to keep going, remember, baking soda might just be part of their strategy. It's fascinating how something so simple can have such a powerful impact on performance. Whether you're a professional athlete or just someone looking to improve your workout results, this might be a trick worth considering. 3. Kidney health support. Let's move on to a lesser-known benefit of baking soda that might surprise you: its potential role in supporting kidney health. For those managing chronic kidney disease, maintaining the right balance of chemicals in the blood is crucial. and baking soda might play a helpful part in this. Chronic kidney disease can lead to a condition called metabolic acidosis, where there's too much acid in the body due to the kidneys not being able to maintain the proper balance. This is where baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, comes in. It's known for its ability to neutralize acids, and that's exactly what it does in the bloodstream when taken in appropriate amounts. Here's how it works. When consumed, baking soda reacts with the acids in the blood, helping to raise the body's pH and bring it back towards normal levels. This doesn't just help with acid balance, it can also slow the progression of kidney disease. Keeping the body's internal environment stable can make a big difference in the health and functioning of the kidneys. This isn't just a theory. There's clinical evidence to support it. Studies have shown that patients with chronic kidney disease who included a proper dose of baking soda in their regimen were able to better manage their condition and slow the progression of the disease compared to those who didn't. It's a promising and simple approach to kidney health management. However, it's crucial to approach this remedy with caution. Baking soda therapy should always be done under the supervision of a healthcare professional, especially for individuals with kidney disease, to ensure the correct dosage and avoid complications. So, if you or someone you know is managing kidney health issues, it might be worth discussing with a doctor whether baking soda could be a beneficial addition to the treatment plan. It's incredible to think that such a common household item could have such a profound impact on our health. 4. Alleviates urinary tract infections. Next, we're diving into another surprising use for baking soda: its ability to help alleviate the discomfort caused by urinary tract infections, or UTIs. UTIs can be incredibly painful, often causing a burning sensation that no one wants to deal with. But here's where baking soda steps in as a potential helper. When someone suffers from a UTI, the urine becomes more acidic, which can increase discomfort. Baking soda, known for its neutralizing properties, helps balance the pH of urine. By reducing the acidity in the urine, baking soda can create a less irritating environment in the urinary tract, providing some much-needed relief. However, it's not as simple as just mixing up a baking soda drink whenever you feel discomfort. While baking soda can be helpful, it's crucial to use it wisely. Here's an important tip. Never self-treat with baking soda without consulting your healthcare provider first. UTIs can progress to more serious conditions if not properly treated, and while baking soda might help with symptoms, it doesn't cure the underlying infection. Antibiotics may be necessary for that. Additionally, it's essential to consider dosage and frequency when using baking soda for UTI symptoms. Too much baking soda can cause other health problems, so it's vital to find the right balance and ensure it's safe for you, especially if you have other health conditions. In summary, if you're dealing with UTI symptoms, discussing the use of baking soda with your doctor could be worth considering. It's fascinating how such a simple kitchen ingredient can provide relief in such an uncomfortable situation. Just remember to approach this remedy with professional guidance to ensure it's safe and effective for your specific health needs. 5. Reduces gout symptoms. Let's talk about a common but often painful condition. Gout is a type of arthritis that causes intense pain and swelling, primarily affecting the joints. It occurs when uric acid builds up in the blood and forms sharp crystals in the joints. Sounds painful, right? Well, it turns out that baking soda might help manage some of these symptoms. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is known for its ability to increase the pH levels of body fluids. This can be particularly useful for those suffering from gout because it helps make body fluids less acidic. When acidity decreases, it becomes easier for the body to dissolve the uric acid crystals that accumulate in the joints and cause painful flare-ups. However, while baking soda can be helpful, it's important to use it in moderation. Overusing baking soda can lead to other health issues, so it's crucial to strike the right balance. Incorporating baking soda into your gout management plan should always be done under the guidance of a healthcare provider to ensure it complements other treatments and dietary adjustments. Managing gout effectively often requires more than just one remedy, so it's important to consider a comprehensive approach that includes baking soda alongside other treatments. Including baking soda in your gout management plan also means considering dietary changes, such as reducing your intake of high-purine foods, staying hydrated, and possibly incorporating medications prescribed by your doctor. Baking soda could be a valuable part of this bigger picture, helping you manage the condition more effectively. So if you're battling with gout, it's worth having a conversation with your doctor about adding baking soda to your management plan. Remember, every little step can help reduce discomfort and prevent future gout attacks. It's about finding what works best for you and tackling gout from multiple angles. 6. Aids in chemotherapy effectiveness. Let's now explore an intriguing aspect of baking soda that's currently under research: its potential to aid in the effectiveness of chemotherapy. We all know how challenging cancer treatments can be, and researchers are constantly looking for ways to improve them. Chemotherapy, a common treatment for cancer, works by targeting and killing fast-growing cancer cells. However, it's not always completely effective, and one of the reasons is the acidic environment around tumors, which can sometimes interfere with the medication's ability to work. This is where baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, comes into play. Some early studies suggest that baking soda might help make the environment around tumors less acidic. By neutralizing some of the acidity, baking soda could potentially help chemotherapy drugs work better, allowing them to reach and attack cancer cells more effectively, which could improve the overall outcomes of the treatment. However, it's important to approach this information with caution. This area of research is still emerging, and while the findings are promising, they are not yet conclusive. The use of baking soda to enhance chemotherapy's effectiveness isn't widely recommended without professional guidance. It's a complex process, and every body responds to cancer treatment differently. So, if you or someone you know is undergoing chemotherapy and you're curious about the potential role of baking soda, it's crucial to discuss it with your healthcare team. They can offer guidance based on the latest research and what's best for your specific situation. It's always exciting to see where research might lead, especially when it could improve life-saving treatments like chemotherapy. But remember, it can take time for early studies to turn into standard treatment practices, and this requires thorough validation and testing. 7. May improve skin health. Let's move on to a more everyday benefit: improving skin health. Have you ever come home from a sunny day at the beach with a sunburn that won't let you sleep, or suffered from an allergic rash that keeps you itching all day? These kinds of skin issues can be more than just irritating. They can seriously disrupt your life. But a simple household item like baking soda might just be the soothing solution you need. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is known for its gentle cleansing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great ally for your skin. When added to bath water, baking soda can help relieve itching and irritation associated with sunburns, allergic rashes, and other skin conditions. It works by neutralizing irritants on your skin's surface and soothing the affected area. So, how do you prepare a baking soda bath? It's quite simple. First, fill your bathtub with lukewarm water. Hot water can irritate your skin even more, so it's best to avoid it. Then, add about half a cup of baking soda to the water and stir well to ensure it dissolves completely. Once the baking soda is mixed in, soak in the tub for about 15 to 20 minutes. After your soak, gently pat your skin dry with a towel. Avoid rubbing, as it could further irritate the skin. This kind of bath can be a great addition to your skincare routine if you frequently experience skin irritations. Not only does it provide immediate relief, but it can also leave your skin feeling smoother and less inflamed. However, while a baking soda bath can provide temporary relief, it's not a cure for underlying skin conditions. If you're dealing with severe or persistent skin issues, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider or dermatologist. They can offer guidance tailored to your specific needs and help you manage your skin health effectively. 8. Potential detoxification. Let's dive into a topic that's quite popular in wellness circles: detoxification. You might have heard about using baking soda as a detox agent. It's often talked about for its potential to cleanse the body and support kidney function. But before you start adding baking soda to your daily routine, let's explore this further. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is commonly used around the house and for minor health issues like acid reflux. Some people also believe it can help detoxify the body by balancing pH levels and aiding the kidneys in flushing out toxins. The idea is that baking soda helps create a more alkaline environment, which might support the body's natural detox processes. However, it's important to approach this claim with caution. While the concept sounds promising, most of the evidence is anecdotal. The scientific community has yet to confirm these benefits through rigorous studies. So, while some individuals report feeling better after using baking soda for detox, these effects are not universally recognized or scientifically validated. If you're considering using baking soda for its potential detoxifying effects, remain cautious. Remember, our bodies are naturally equipped with detox systems like the liver and kidneys, which effectively cleans our bodies without the need for drastic detox diets or substances. So while it's tempting to jump on the baking soda detox trend, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional first. They can guide you based on your individual health needs and help you understand safer, more effective ways to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Always prioritize well-researched approaches and personal health safety when exploring new health trends. Precautions. When considering drinking baking soda water for its various health benefits, it's crucial to be aware of the correct dosage and potential risks. Baking soda, primarily sodium bicarbonate, is high in sodium, which can lead to significant health issues if overused. Consuming too much can cause electrolyte imbalances and alkalosis, a condition where the body's pH becomes too high. Symptoms of this include muscle spasms, confusion, and even convulsions, serious health concerns. Additionally, individuals with certain health conditions need to be particularly cautious. For those with hypertension, kidney disease, or those following a sodium-restricted diet, the high sodium content in baking soda poses risks like increased blood pressure and potential kidney strain. Given these factors, it's essential not to start a baking soda regimen without professional guidance. Consulting with a healthcare provider ensures that your health history, current condition, and any medications are considered. This step is crucial in preventing adverse effects and ensuring that any treatment plan, including one involving baking soda, is safe and appropriate for your specific health needs. Conclusion. While baking soda may offer various health benefits, it's important to use it with caution and moderation. Overuse can lead to health issues, so it's vital to take your individual health needs into account and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. This ensures that any approach you take is safe and tailored to your unique health conditions. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried using baking soda for health benefits? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your stories can help others in our community make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more health tips and natural remedies, don't forget to subscribe to Health Hack. We have plenty of valuable content coming up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health wisely.